Okay. Okay, Shivani, read the next question, please. 10th question, basically. Today we have to start with exercise. हम्म ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर एक हमारे पास पैरेललोग्राम है, सॉरी वॉट एवर क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, और इन दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल यू कैन सी द थ्री साइड. Suppose it is a PQRS. So the three sides PQ is 6 centimeter, and then QR is 5.6 centimeter, and RS is 2.7 centimeter, and two angles, angle Q and R. Angle Q is 45 degree and R is 90 degree. So this is basically called the angle side angle construction. Okay, this is 2A, one angle in between two angle, and so two angle and one side is given here. So now first we have to draw the see. अब मुझे यहाँ पे ये बताओ शिवानी, कौन सा साइड हम ड्रॉ करें जिससे दोनों एंगल ड्रॉ कर सकें. Which side we have to draw? Very nice. So better draw, everyone draw QR. QR, this is 5.6 centimeter. This is 5.6 centimeter. And now, first we draw angle R is equal to 90. So take your compass, open some radius, not too much, not too less. Draw an arc like this, and then cut 60, 120, and then from these two we cut an arc like this, and now draw AD line. Now draw a straight line here, this. Okay, so this is 90 degree. Clear everyone? From from at R we draw 90 degree angle, and now take a radius of 2.7. Now take a radius of 2.7. Everyone take a radius of 2.7 centimeter in your compass and put at R. R पे रखो और just cut this line that is equal to 2.7. Suppose इसे हमने यहाँ पर काटा, this is 2.7 centimeter. You can use scale properly. First, take a radius of 2.7 centimeter, put the compass at R and cut the 90 degree line. This is 2.7. Now come at now the next sorry. Now the next is you have to draw angle Q, which is equal to 45 degree. So what is Shivani? What is the bisector? What is the bisector of angle 90? Very nice. So everyone take a small like this and draw 90 degree, and then we get a 2 point on a this semicircle at this semicircle. Now open compass whatever you want to and put at this mark and put a arc like this, and then the next time compass you here, and then cut the previous arc like this. And now you can चलो यहाँ बन गया see, ठीक है. And now PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Now take a radius of 6 centimeter in your compass and put Q as a center. Put your compass at Q and mark 6 like this, and then join this. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा मेरा थोड़ा अलग जैसा दिख रहा है. This is S and this is P. Clear? कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज पूछो. Is that clear? How many students now? Only 4. Okay. Now the construction is complete. Clear? Now the next 11, 12 and 13. You can do your own in homework. Or if you find any difficulty, you will ask me. Within a class, I will solve it. Okay? Now let us start. Just a moment, I think. I need duster. Now everyone clear? Manjeet is there in class or not? Saksham, you and tell me the name please. Huh? Okay. So Riya, clear now? This construction is clear or not? Please tell me. बताना है. तो तुम बोलते क्यों नहीं हो जब मैं तुमसे पूछता हूं कि आर यू क्लियर और नॉट? What? I have to say with name every time. Then you have to answer. If I'm asking with the class, you have to answer. Shraddha, you also have to answer. Yes or no? Write down this question number 11, 12. Mark the question number 11, 12 and 13 as your homework. And if you find any difficulty, you will tell me. I will do in board. Now everyone open the exercise 17B. And Saksham, read the question number 1, please. Saksham, read the question number 1. Now see, he is also not in class. Yes. Now see, in question number 1, now we have to draw parallelogram. So before doing parallelogram, you all must revise the property of parallelogram. Is that clear? सबसे पहला काम हमें करना है कि पैरेललोग्राम बनाने के लिए उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज को रिकॉल करना. So you all must recall or revise the properties of parallelogram. Now see, there is a parallelogram AB, C and D. Now you see AB 5.2 centimeter is given here. So it means that the opposite side is 5.2 also. Now BC is 4.7. BC is 4.7 and there is a diagonal AC. This is 7.6 centimeter and the opposite side is this. Now you see. Now everyone open the exercise 7A. And now Saksham read the first question. So what is the difference between these two questions? क्या difference है? In question number 1, same 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. And in this question number 1 from the exercise 17B, same, there is 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Only the difference is कि in exercise 17A, we don't know the name. We just know it is a quadrilateral. But now in exercise 17B, we know that कि ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? This is the difference only. And now the question number 1, what you have to do? First you draw the diagonal AC, which is equal to 7.6 centimeter. Clear? Now take a radius of 4.7. 4.7. Put a compass at A and mark 4.7, suppose like this. And now take a radius of 5.2 and put a compass at C and cut the previous arc, that is 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. Okay. Now see this and now from A. Now this is the point D. Now we have to draw B point. So put the compass at A again and mark 5.2. Take a radius of 5.2 centimeter and with the center A, draw an arc like this. Then the last side is 4.7. So take a radius of 4.7 and cut the previous arc and join the points. So ये एक parallelogram now it's okay and you mark this is D, this is B and whatever the side, this is 5.2, this is 5.2, this is 4.7 and this is 4.7. Now required parallelogram ABCD is constructed. Now is there any confusion? Saksham? हाँ शिवानी यस कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है क्योंकि ये कंस्ट्रक्शन तो हम पहले ही कर चुके हैं ये कंस्ट्रक्शन बस नाउ हियर इट इज गिवन एट इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम नाउ शिवानी रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज I think this is the same question. So you can do you all can do your own. Question number 2, exercise 17B. Question number 2, do by your own. Basically the homework. Okay, now Shivani read the third question, please. नाउ स्टार्ट। अब मुझे बताओ कि कैसे बनाएंगे। इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम। PQRS is a parallelogram. बताओ शिवानी, PQRS is a parallelogram. In question number 3, PQRS is parallelogram and QR is equal to 6 centimeter. And PQ, where is the PQ? PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is 6 also, and this is 4 also. Now PQ, this is 60 degree. ओ तो ये ऐसे कर देते हैं इसको। Now it is 60 degree. This is 6 centimeter. This is PQRS. Now, so now ठीक है, it's okay. Now tell me, if it is 60 degree, then what is this? So draw any, कैसे भी इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। तो मुझे बताओ शिवानी, कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे? Better, we can draw first PQ 4 centimeter, then at P draw 120 degree angle, at Q draw 60 degree angle, and then take a radius of 6 centimeter, cut on the both and join. Clear? Shivani, is this clear or not? अगर कोई confusion है तो please पूछना है। Shraddha, Priya, good. Everyone draw the rough figure, please. And you have to use your properties to do construction. So I think the question number 3 all you can do by your own. अब तो इतना बता दिया तो फिर you can make it. Now Shraddha, read the fourth question, please. ठीक है। Yes, now in question number 4, na? Yes, in question number 4, there is a parallelogram ABC. ठीक है। So A, B, C, and D here. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is also 5 centimeter. CD is 4.8 centimeter. So this is also 4.8 centimeter. And this is 120 degree. So tell me, Shraddha, what is this angle? Yes, 60 degree. Draw कर सकते हो। कोई confusion? Is there any confusion in this question? You can start with, or you know the opposite angles are equal. So you can start with CD, draw CD, and then everything. Draw CD first 120 degree at C, then 60 degree at D, and take a radius of 5 centimeter and cut the angles, cut the arc of line whatever dx or dy cy, and then you will get a and B. Join AB and the required parallelogram is constructed now. बना सकते हैं सभी? Fifth, sorry, fourth. Sorry, now Ria, read the fifth question. ओके, पैरेललोग्राम बनाना है। एक पैरेललोग्राम बनाना है, उसके अंदर क्या लिखा है? वन ऑफ साइड इज इक्वल द डायगोनल। अच्छा, दो डायगोनल गिवन है, एक डायगोनल, दो डायगोनल और एक पैरेललोग्राम रेडी हो गया। ठीक है, सो suppose it is AB, C and D, and the two diagonals 5.6 and 7. Suppose it is 5.6 and it is 7 centimeter, and one of the side is given here 4.4. Suppose it is 4.4, this is also 4.4. Now start the construction please. अब इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन जल्दी से करते हैं। फर्स्ट ड्रॉ ए बी, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ ए बी 4.4 सेंटीमीटर। क्लियर? First draw AB. No. Everyone drop this. I think now we can use with a diagonal. I think it's easy. Okay, first everyone draw AC. AC 7 centimeter. AC 7 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular bisector to locate the center where the next diagonal pass from it. समझ आया कि नहीं आया वो मुझे बताना, जिसको नहीं सुनाई दिया हो। AC, first draw a line segment AC. This is 7 centimeter. Then take your compass, open and draw the perpendicular bisector. Put the compass here, make an arc and downward also. And then put a compass at A, cut the previous without disturbing and draw a dotted line like this. Now this is the center from where the second diagonal passes. यहाँ से पास होगा। ठीक है, कोई कंफ्यूजन? And now see, it is 5.6. It is 5.6 and the angle is what given here. So what is this? Construct a parallelogram. One of side is 4 centimeter and the diagonal is 5.6. So what is the half of 5.6? It's 2.8. So put a compass at center and draw an essay. Take a radius of 2.8 centimeter and cut this perpendicular line segment. This is basically 2.8 and now draw. नहीं, इस लाइन को मत काटो, इस लाइन को नहीं, sorry. Put a compass at center and draw an arc of 2.8, both opposite sides like this. And now one of the side is 4.4. Take a radius of 4.4 centimeter and put at A and cut this previous arc. And put at C, cut this arc and then join. And now, yes, why not? C. आई रिपीट द होल कंस्ट्रक्शन, बट अब की बार ध्यान से सुनना, ध्यान से. First draw AC. This is 7 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular bisector to locate the center. To locate the center. Now this is the center. And we know that the diagonal bisect each other. Means this portion is equal to this. So the half of diagonal is 22.8. Mark anywhere, anywhere, कहीं भी हो सकता है ये. Just mark 2.8, arc of 2.8, take a radius of 2.8 and mark here and here also. Now put the compass at A and take a radius of 4.4. Now take a radius of 4.4, put a compass at A and cut the previous arc. Again, put the compass at C with the same radius 4.4. Cut the arc like this and join this. समझ गए श्रद्धा? And now this is the diagonal. ये diagonal ऐसे tilted दिखेगा यहाँ पर. It's not perpendicular bisector. ये कोई भी figure हो सकता है. Okay, now the class is over. Whatever the doubt you will ask tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye everyone.